rider by
Ronel Dixon, followed by Russell Morales. Check this out. This is the power category.
Beirok on board ang first rider by
Check. Huwag kayo pumasok sa racetrack. Bamboo section. Leading.
Good, grabe ang Beirok on board by Tanggong si Morales.
Digitally followed by Russell Morales. Russell Morales and followed by Ronel Dixon. Itong tatlong tire section natin.
Grabe.
Check this out. Okay. And we are
Galawang Beirok on board. Ay!
Check this out. This is Russell Morales.
Russell Morales ang nagsunod.
Check. This is about Russell Morales. Right number 21.
Okay, bakbakang Russell Morales versus Beirok on board by
Ronel Dixon, bike number 20 and bike number...
Yun! Grabe!
Ronel Dixon!
Morales!
Planet by Russell Morales.
Yun! Grabe! Beirok! Ay!
Check this out. Okay. Bike number 21, that's Russell followed by Adi Tapito. Dirang Ormi. Check this out. Valentin. Andiyan si Valentin. Okay, Ronel Dixon pass the third section. Okay, second spot natin, that's Ronel Dixon, Beirok on board. We have a battle, bike number 18, that's Mighty Boy, Adi Tapito. Okay, pakakabangan natin. Okay. Adrian Tipito. Ayan, pakakabangan natin bike number 19, that's Kaboynas. Okay, Valentin, first try. Suludai! natin, Russell Morales, followed by Ronel Dixon.
Suludai!
Yan!
Right! Kontrol lang siya!
Okay. Sige.
Ayos na rin.
Try. Guys,
Okay, Russell Morales ito ang first rider ba yan? Ang sunod, Berok on board. Russell Morales. Okay, nagsunod Berok on board.
Marshals, baka matapunan ng motor itong dyan sa gilid sa tire section.
Yun! Berok on board na.
Berok on board na naman ang nangunguna dito sa tire section. Pag-abangan natin. Russell Morales taking that first trial.
Yun, Berok on board.
Having a hard time. Pag-abangan natin kung anong pwedeng gawin ni Russell Morales dito. This is a good battle between Berok on board and Russell Morales.
Berok ang naunabay na sa
Dito lang
baba
yan
si
sa
Russell
Upper
Morales.
Mabay. Check this out. Okay, Ronald Dixon.
Yun. Russell versus Berok on board. Ronald Dixon. Yun!
Ayan! What a good
Berok
thing
on
by
board na.
Russell by
Berok
Ronald
on board
Dixon.
na first rider line. Ay!
Yeah! Sold na yan.
Okay, nindot nga pagpakanay. Russell Morales versus Berok on board. Berok on board ito ang first rider.
Ayan.
Karon ba eh?
Ayan po sa ano? Ayan. Berok on board. Ronel. Perfect. Yes.
Ay! Ronel Dixon, Berok on board ito ang first rider by pang tulong alap shoot niya. Ginhawa gamay bay.
Ayan, check this out. Russell Morales having hard time sa Payaw section. Ronel Dixon. Ayan. Adrian. Ayan na si Russell Morales. Pakaabangan natin. Tingnan natin kung nasa likuran na si Russell Morales. Ayan. It is a close battle.
Russell Morales bay.
Russell Morales.
Okay, tapan na Russell Morales versus Berok
Check
on
this
board.
out. Nagpang-abot na silang dalawa. Nagpang-abot na silang apat. Oh, Ronel
Berok
Dixon.
bay.
Okay, breakaway. Ronel Dixon, baka abangan natin. Russell Morales, second try.
Kapoy na gid. Kapoy na si Morales.
Nice kawan, Adrian Pepito. Tanaw diya mga babae, oh. Go, Russell Morales. Constantino.